Hey, Sean with Boom Reactive. With Instagram, you can post videos and photos of different sizes, and there's good reasons to do that. But it can be a little tricky to create the content in the right size and then to post it in the right size. So in this video, I'm really quickly gonna go through first how to post it, and then if it isn't already made for you, how to quickly make it using Final Cut Pro. So what I'm talking about, if we look at the feed, and I'm gonna look at the feed from Strange Donuts here, you can see square photo, longer photo, and then this next thing is a square video. And first of all, let me say, I hate vertical video. I hate it, I hate how it looks, but this is a place where it makes sense. This and Instagram stories is even worse. But look, so this is a square video, and if we scroll up here, there's another example. So here's a taller picture, and this is a taller video. And the reason you want to do this is because it takes up so much more of the screen. It's more impactful, and depending on what you put here, it can be really flashy, and you can make little videos that play like boomerangs or do all sorts of things to catch people's interest, but you want to use this much space. So the first thing you need to do to post one of these files is put it in your camera roll, and I can't tell you how to do this on an Android device, but I know on an iPhone device, you can download it, you can save it, you can view it, whatever you need to do. So when I click it, pops up here on my phone, and now it is saved to my camera roll. You can hear this. Perfect. So here's the important part. When you go to Instagram, and I'm gonna go over to Plays Not Points account. When you go to share one of these things, you click the plus button and you find it. This is the really, really important part, because if you just share this, it's gonna crop the top and bottom, and it's just gonna be a square video. And the whole point of setting this up or having this file created this way is to have it fill the whole space. And so there's a little down in the bottom left, little two carrots going in the opposite direction. When you click that, it's gonna look like it's not gonna work because it's gonna add these two white bars on either side. Have faith. Have faith, this is important. When you go then to next, you can go over to cover and pick what you want to show as your thumbnail for the video. Put my stomach right in there. Click next. I'm just gonna delete this shortly, but I'm gonna say testing. And when I post this, very important, it's gonna take a second to upload. Come on, internet. Now you can see it plays in full screen. So I'm gonna go back to my personal account and look at my feed. You can see how much of my screen this video takes up. And so there's no white bars, that all disappeared. It was just a function of the posting mechanism. So make sure you click that little carrot icon in the corner and ignore the white bars as you do the posting process, and know that it's gonna play full screen when you're ready. So to make one of these videos that's just the right size to play in the Instagram feed, and this is not an Instagram story, but the Instagram feed, you're gonna make a new project, and for video, you're gonna, if you don't see this, click use custom settings, and you're gonna drop down to custom, and you wanna make your resolution 1080 by 1350. This is the actual size of that frame. It's 1080 pixels wide and 1350 tall. And they do some compression depending on what phone is viewing it, but this is the file that they want. And I like my frame rate at 24 frames a second. So you can see here we have this more oblong shape, and this is gonna be the perfect size. But when you add footage, you need to film it sideways. And so I've got 3 little clips prepared here that I'm gonna add to my timeline. And you can see they're sideways because I actually filmed with the camera sideways, which again, kills me to do, but it's necessary for this sort of thing. So we can select those clips, and in the inspector, come to the video tab, and all we're gonna do is rotate them 90 degrees. And now you can see, well, 88.1, we'll just go 90 degrees. So now you can see that they're oriented properly, but they're a little small, so we're gonna scale these up until they fit like that. And now, without losing any resolution, we've got our clips in here that are gonna play full screen. We can do any editing that we wanna do in there. There's my little tattoo we're gonna include in this Plays Not Points post. So, look in here, we've got a 5-second video. Let's just play it through. Oh man, it is horrible. That is a real bad video, folks. Just for fun, gonna mute it. And we'll quickly add in a song. So that's the whole video. We'll chop it there. Nice thing is Instagram's gonna repeat this. It's just gonna loop it. And so if you make a short video that you sort of wanna look like a GIF or something like that, it's not hard to just make a short video and know that it's going to loop sort of indefinitely. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna export the file, the master file. I'm just gonna throw it on my desktop for fun. So after you export it, you can get it onto your phone and then you know how to post it from the beginning of this video. If you have any questions about this or anything else related to production for Instagram or Facebook, feel free to leave it in the comments and I'll address it and do my best. Thanks for watching. See you later.